can take it if she wants to now, but I'm still
I got punched in the face twice.
You said you have to still stretch.
Ow.
Oh, I'm stretching good. Well, you gotta work out here. Hey, Maria.
What?
You gotta hold your hands this time.
I'm a little shaken up right now, guys. Oh. I don't know where this vlog left off before we did the workout video. Training video, I mean. But it's the night after, or the morning after. I thought training was over. But you don't really know, Ted doesn't really let you know, like, when class is gonna be in session. It just happens. It could be mental training, physical training, just trying to make me want to die training, I don't know. We were just laying there, going to sleep. And Ted, like, giggled and put me in, like, a little bit of, like, somewhat of a submission, like, just sort of, like, leg lock. But it was, I had my head. And I was like, oh, he's trying to be cute. And then he started, like, pressing down really, really hard. And I did, like, the joke, like, the tap, and he didn't let go. And then I did, like, the real tap, and he still didn't let go. And I've heard stories about, like, the Hart dungeon from him, or just, like, they would just, like, try to kill each other. Like, for real, like, they'd put him in shoot holds and just not let go. And you couldn't tap out. And I just visioned that, and I was like, oh, my God, he's doing this to me. He fucking did. He joked to me. I thought I was dying. Like, I just saw my life flash for me. And then he let go the last second. And I was like, oh my God, I'm here. So I go to roll over and he hooks me in another one and fucking drags me off the bed in it. And it's like, it's not domestic violence. Like, I'm in training. Like, this is what I'm being trained for, is to learn how to fight. But fuck.
No, you fucking tapped out eventually, though.
I tapped out 3 times before that and you didn't break the hold. What do you mean?
Before that, I didn't hear.
Ted, I was breathing. What do you mean?
You fought for your life then.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, good. I
Don't do that to me, please. I thought you weren't joking, Ted. And I'm thinking, man, you would think, like, if you had done it, like, right after a fight, I'd be like, all right, this is my time. But, like, we were just laying there, and he did it. I'm like, is he trying to kill me? Like, but like, you would think something would have sparked it. But then I'm like, I think the craziest guy out there would randomly snap and kill someone just for no reason. Like, it wouldn't even be after a fight. He would just, like, all of a sudden, like, now's our time. And it like, I was able to believe that.
I was wondering why you're fighting so hard.
Because I thought it was, I couldn't think of any reason, but, like.
I gave you a one-arm choke too. It was a good one.
Yeah, the leg one is what scared me, Ted.
One leg and one arm at the same
Weirdness.
Oh. My ass is fat right now. Not in a good way. Ted, ow, it hurts.
Teddy.
Ow. Ow!
Teddy, I need corner time.
Yeah, ow. Ow, stop. You're hurting me.
It's just
time. Hurting me? Come on.
It hurts. Stop. I'm sore, Ted. I did like this yesterday. You guys, this isn't funny anymore. I'm actually terrified. This has been going on for like 2 hours. I didn't know what I signed up for. I didn't want to do this. I've been punched in the face 3 times. Kenny went up for a handstand and Ted said spot him. And Kenny's turned around and he kicked me right in the face.
Good.
We switched to pro wrestling?
Yeah. I didn't even know we switched categories.
Yeah, one more.
No one told me.
Good.
that. So now, what hand do you gotta worry about? You know where that hand is. You don't gotta watch it. You can feel it. See what I mean? Now the other hand.
Put your hands up.
The only hand you gotta worry about is this right hand. That's what I mean, but you can.
I like to keep my hand out here.
But you know where it's at.
My hand down. I can bring it back in.
Because you wait till they get comfortable. You monkey some, Teddy. Tell you, that's some old school haggler. You do a monkey.
Good. Watch it. There you go. Ready, latch down. Ready to anticipate yourself. From here, you can throw it. Good. There you go.
Stay calm. Keep your hands loose. Rest them on your chest plate. You just catch it.
He's extra scary, okay? So, you're not like coming here with someone easy.
You want me to do it for you? Like. There you go.
Good. But keep them relaxed more.
It hurts because I keep smashing my hands together.
Oh yeah, no. You're good. Get over here. It's time to
Yes, you are.
I'll hit you hard on your hand and ball in your arms. I'm not taking a fake shot. You feel the shot. There you go. Wash your hands so you get scared. You get comfortable. Don't point punching someone in the face after you get it. You're doing a great job. Get up. Get up. Come on, you're not done.
Time.
Good job, man.
Oh,
Great job.
she's done. She's good. Time.
Great job.
You're good.
I don't care if you want to ask guys. Okay? He's teaching you a style which works later. Right now, I'm asking you to fucking watch my hands and try to block them from hitting you in the fucking face. Okay? And I fake you out. If I fake you out, body shot. Right? If you're going to block, you don't have to block. I take a body shot before I drop my hands for a face shot. So when you're ready to get hit shot, the guy sucks you in for a body shot, you drop your hands, you're getting a face shot. I always used to say,
Hey, Maria. Maria.
Take a body shot any day of the week, then a face shot.
Maria, he's only got two hands. Pay attention to both. Just keep track of those hands.
Take it with you. I'm walking your hands down. Ow! That's behind the head though. Ow. So that's what all you're giving me right now. It's really this.
He's got two hands. There you go. Block with your forearms.
You're fine. Let's go. Oh, you're not hitting me back. You're blocking.
There you go. No. Stay in the distance. The closer you are, the less he can put pressure on you.
Good.
There you go. See? Now you're blocking. He's got two hands. Keep one under control. There you go.
Watch him.
Watch him. Watch both hands.
There you go. I'm being nice right now.
There you go. You're doing good.
Good. There you go. Block it. Come on. Good.
Time.
Good job.
Ow.
Good job.
I'm
Maria said she's a fucking MMA fighter. She did one practice, guys. She's a fucking future killer, and she will be a killer, and she'd kick your ass. Whoever talked that shit, I'll put money on that. Maria in 6 months will knock your fucking teeth out of your mouth, you punk-ass, pussy-ass bitch. I love hearing these rank-ass wankers, piece of shit, crankers, probably on a little crystal meth back in their day, or a little coke or joker. It's okay, I could be Nightwave, and I could talk shit like I'm some kind of cop and private detective, and when I was blowing rails, crying about my bad life, and I wasn't doing nothing but jacking off on the computer to porn, and guess what, a couple of girls I was watching were kind of young, but I can't talk about that because I'm going to be pointing fingers at everybody else. You're a piece of shit, and you're a piece of shit, and this guy, he fucked children and all sorts of crazy shit. I said, dude, you're not fucking perfect. Stop fucking pointing fingers. You're not a judge. You're not a jury, and definitely you're not an executioner of shit. Because if you executed stuff properly, you would have executed the old get in shape plan, and you would have had your face on the fucking videotape so we could have seen you, or whatever vlog or podcast or pussy ass cast you want to call that thing. And it might be a cast after you get your ass kicked by fucking Kenny Lester or Maria Manic or Teddy Hart.
I need me a little baby who gon' listen.